Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your Cryptocat-Guru and it's time for another monthly update. Another month, which means another opportunity to position early in the crypto market. In this video, I cover how our crypto portfolio is performing at the moment. I will give you also an overall update of the crypto market and of course, which 3 altcoins we are adding to our portfolio this month with our $500 allocation. Stick around because these picks include a mix of blue chip infrastructure, real world utility and one very high risk, high rewarding gaming play token. So if you don't want to miss out on any alpha, make sure to watch this video until the end. First up, let's have a look at our crypto portfolio. At the moment, it is still down around 10% with OMI still as worst performer and Toshi as best performer at the moment. Overall, the portfolio is still underperforming versus Bitcoin. However, as we come closer and closer to the real altcoin season, I think this could change quite rapidly. Overall, I'm still bullish for the second half of this year. We are halfway through 2025 and the tide is shifting fast. At this year's Jackson Economics Symposium, Fed Chair Powell strongly hinted at the rate cut in September. Combine this with a surge of capital already flowing into crypto ETFs and the setup for risk assets like crypto has rarely looked stronger. This shift could serve as a catalyst that drives Ethereum to new all-time highs, initializing the true altcoin season for this bull run. We are currently only midway through this bull run, in my opinion, leaving plenty of time to establish strong positions in this month. In my view, the peak of this cycle may not even arrive until early or mid 2026. Next, let's have a look at our investment picks for this month for our ongoing crypto portfolio. Here's how we're allocating it across 3 carefully chosen projects. First up, we will allocate $200 in Ethereum. Ethereum is not just the backbone of Web3, it's now officially part of Wall Street's playbook. Ethereum ETFs are already live and institutions are buying heavily with flows accelerating since launch. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum offers staking yields and ongoing cash flows, making it easier for institutions to model Ethereum as a productive asset. Research from Fundthread and others shows a growing case for ETH in corporate treasuries since companies can hold it as both an investment and yield-bearing asset. That's why we're allocating another $200 in Ethereum this month. Next up, we have ECOMI. We will invest $200 in ECOMI as it has been building quietly for years, and now in 2025, we are finally seeing the utility of the OMI token come to life at scale. Starting November 19th, 2025, OMI holders will be able to convert OMI directly into gems through the Stacker app, VeVe's marketplace partner. These gems can then be used to purchase VeVe's licensed digital collectibles, and on top of that, OMI is getting exclusive primary market drops, meaning certain collectibles will only be available if you pay in OMI. This change makes OMI much more than just a speculative token. It becomes the direct fuel for VeVe's collecting ecosystem. That's why we are allocating another $200 into OMI this month. It's a mid-market play with expanding utility, mainstream IP exposure and a clear roadmap. That could make it one of the standout tokens in this bull run. Last but not least, we have also a speculative bet which is called Bloodloop. Bloodloop is a Web3 FPS gaming project with a working build, strong community support and a capable dev team. But it's still incredibly small and undervalued in my opinion, with a market cap of only around $800,000. That makes it highly risky, but also gives it massive asymmetric upside if the crypto gaming sector enters a bull run. Unlike most vaporware GameFi projects, Bloodloop is actually shipping a product which already puts it ahead of 90% of its competitors. That's why we are allocating another $100 into Bloodloop this month, controlled gamble on the possibility that this small cap could do 100 to 1000x. So the final investment allocation is as follows. $200 into Ethereum, $200 into ECOMI, and $100 into Bloodloop. As always, none of this is financial advice, just sharing what I'm doing with my own portfolio. Please do your own research before you invest in any project. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think Ethereum will hit new all-time highs in September? In which altcoins are you investing at the moment? Let me know in the comments down below and see you until the next time. Your Cryptocat-Guru.